this particular strategy is proven strategy that there is a chance of building a new relationship with the other guide.
Sir, there is some scenarios that I have seen. Like if the guide is not active or collab in the cases like collaboration or finding a postdoc outside the country or something like that, then the scholar might be missed with those opportunities also. Because
Certainly,
for
certainly.
we scholars, guide is the only way by which we can reach them. So, what should a scholar or a researcher do in this case?
Yeah, it is a very good question actually, and it is more futuristic kind of question for the scholars and as well as for the supervisors also. Because until unless the supervisors are not research active and not having the connection or network with the in their own domain area or in the other domain area, it is very difficult to get the involvement in these ongoing collaborative projects.
Hmm.
Sometimes people are losing the lot of money also,
Hmm.
because if there is no connection, you do not know that how many collab opportunities are or tremendous collaborative opportunities are available
Hmm.
with full funding also.
Hmm.
So the world is great where a lot of people are there. Only supervisor has to be research active. And
Hmm.
suppose supervisor is not research active and scholar is active, then scholar should take the responsibility to encourage the guide for himself or herself and in the request form that, sir, please look some opportunities for me, talk to
Hmm.
your connection people, talk to this, or you give me the their contact details like email ID or something. I
Hmm.
will send the request mail,
Hmm.
keep you in CC, means CC means keep you informed so
Hmm.
that you have transparency and faith on me and to your colleague that what dialogue I have made
Hmm.
with them.
Hmm.
So this particular strategy is proven strategy that there is a chance of building a new relationship with the other guide,
Hmm.
teachers also, those who are not associated with you directly.
Hmm.
But there may be that. So likewise, you can, if you are doing or a scholar is doing, dialogue and
Hmm.
establishing a dialogue with the new professor of some university internationally,
Hmm.
so you are creating the opportunity for yourself. There may be a possibility that okay, the person professor will allow some short trip in their home country or in the lab to look at, interact with the further, scholars, their scholars. So it is again a bonding kind of thing, and only this is the solution because if you cooperate, they will also cooperate.
Hmm.
And since they are on the higher side, because we always go to for the developing countries or developed
Hmm.
countries
Hmm.
like UK, France, Canada,
Hmm.
USA, Australia. So these are big hubs of education for research. Lot of funding grants are available.
Hmm.
So only this thing only happen with the help of supervisor. Only scholar has to request the supervisor to get the name of the particular gentleman or the professor and
Hmm.
the email. If
Okay.
email ID is not available, at least name of the university. Rest
Okay.
student can do and research on
Search
Google
and find
or some
out
other
everything.
website and get
Hmm.
the things done and
Hmm.
very politely. And
Hmm.
many I have seen many scholars are not good in writing and making the
Email
these official or formal bills.
happen most
You
of the
know
time.
how they are writing? Let me tell you how they are writing. Sir, I want postdoc opportunity. Would you give me? So, so I don't, I could not find deemed fit for, making such kind of emails for getting the opportunities.
I recently somebody contacted me. That person wanted to go outside country for the PhD, and that person wrote a sample
And
email.
it is a case of, Chandan, it is a case of uh, mistrust also.
Obviously.
Because at times what happen, if supervisor in good faith had given the contact, then you know what is happening. Scholar is very smart, not saying thanks to the supervisor or to somebody.
Obviously,
He
this
or
happens.
she has made the direct connection between the other professor and and she has or he has decided to continue the PhD with that professor, not with the previous one.
Happens.
So this is
This thing.
unethical. This is crime in academics.
This thing
People
happens.
are not trustworthy.
Hmm.
And due to this fact that most of the supervisors, they could not share their contact details with their scholars. That is the dark side of the story.
Yes. This thing also.
So everything is based on the trust actually. And scholars should be ethical one, not to lose the trust, rather build the trust.
Yes. So thank you so much for this beautiful answer, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.